Hello, beautiful people. We are at the shopping center. Just walking around, but I think let's try today. We're going for a boat cruise and dungeons. Yeah, and I don't know
Try and
what.
check out the dungeons, maybe go for a canal cruise.
Yeah. Okay. Don't want this way. All right. Something's coming. I never knew, and I'm so close. Oh my God. Baby, I'm so close to it. I'm so.
That's what you have to watch out for in Amsterdam. What, cycles and trams, right?
Yeah. Close. Why I do all
Watch them because they'll flatten you if you're not careful.
Why is everybody having ice? I like to say hello, beautifuls. I don't like to say hi, guys.
How do you know they're beautiful?
I know.
Yeah,
We're at the flower market, right?
yeah.
And they have so many flowers here, different types, and
Thinking about the way yeah. 잠시 멈춰서 너와 내 가난 눈을 생각해 시간은 흘러 이젠 여기까지 Feels bitter that we're on a separate ways Our memories faded Sometimes I think of you 너 없이 뭔가 좀 공허해 난 날이 무뎌지는 그 감각에 어느새 집중돼 Lost but prefer not to be found
that's why you know this is confused. You can do yourself too much work.
It's not my video, I'm not doing it.
Because it's bad, I do something now.
Wish something you want to do.
So when you have this in your garden, that's how the birds come. Is it?
Yeah. Oh.
These are my type of flowers. Do you see? I love things like that. Red roses. And this one,
That's what you plant in the ground for them to be growing.
wow, it looks like
Garlic.
Yeah, no, it looks like chestnut. It looks like chestnut too. I don't know much about flowers. So. I don't know what mom like. Can get her something, but my own choice.
Is what?
I like flowers and roses, no.
You like rose? I don't think there's any roses. It's mostly tulips. Tulips are the Dutch flowers. Tulips is what Holland's famous for. Oh, it's a beautiful day for a cruise.
Yeah.
Beautiful day for a river cruise.
Not
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do.
We're on the canal cruise. Are you enjoying it?
I'm enjoying myself.
Fun?
Yeah, it's fun and the weather is very good. So
Weather's beautiful.
okay.
no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, I wanna be Babe, I want your love, your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
This is the escape boat from the oil rig when you want to escape from the rig. This is what you'll use. So somebody's escaped from the rig and brought the boat here. Yeah, so maybe someone got tired of having. Maybe they were locked down on the rig for too long.
Are there no securities on the road, on the boat, like on the sea? No securities.
It's the Navy.
Yeah, so the Navy can stop whoever is in there.
Yeah, but maybe they didn't. Maybe they snuck past.
I can
I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination.
go.
Please.
Throw.
Oh my God, this is too much, baby. This is too much. It's okay. It's okay. You know why I'm doing this stuff? Because I was so scared yesterday. Because oh my God, let me talk. Yesterday, I was screaming because I was scared. See, I was not expecting that guy to just pour rice on me. That's why I was scared yesterday. But today I'm not scared. Can you see? I'm doing it. Yeah. So, right, it's fine. Can you see that? I'm not scared. So, oh my God. Oh my God. So, who is on my head? Who is on my head? Who is on my head? What are you doing on my head? That was so funny.
Hey, listen, don't hurt her. Now we are together, we're gonna hurt you together.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't hurt me.
Okay, that's
So,
right.
so you see why I was scared yesterday because I was not expecting that when you
This
put
lady
rice.
was scared today. Yesterday she was scared. And
Yeah.
you see what's happened now?
Yeah.
She don't scared anymore.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
See you
I'll
next
see you
time.
next
I'll
time.
see you next time.
Bye. Also, so to all my Nigerian sisters, just want to say I was walking along the road and I saw a place where they're selling puffs and I want to get some. But here, I think they call it the Dutch donut.
No, it's a Dutch equivalent to a donut, but it's not a donut.
Yeah, but we call it puff in Nigeria.
Ulebollen.
We are having puff. Yeah, I saw that they call it
Ulebollen.
donut.
Well, they call it a Dutch donut for the tourists.
All right, so that
But
was
in Dutch, it's called ulebollen.
Yeah, in Nigeria we call it puff.
Puff.
In the UK you call it donut, right?
Almost. It's
Yeah,
not a
almost.
donut. It's similar to a donut, but it's not a donut.
Can you see this big man here? How you doing, baby?
Wonderful.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying your time here?
Oh yeah.
Good. As you can see, it's just so quiet. All the shops are closed. Everywhere is so quiet. What can we do? We just walk around the street. As you can see, they have Christmas lights is already on here. How can I see the Christmas lights here? And can you see the Christmas lights everywhere? Christmas light is up already.
You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one. Yeah, 'cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. Ooh.